Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you free up space on iPhone. So guys, to free up space on iPhone there are some ways that you can do it. So for the first step, go to settings. Now just go to general and here you can see iPhone storage. Click on it. Now after clicking iPhone storage, you will see all of your iPhone's app is here. If you just scroll and click on show all, you can see all of your apps. Now all you can do is just select the app that you don't use or rarely use. You can just delete that app. Just like if I click on this, if you do not want this app anymore, you can just select delete app. And if you don't want the app data or documents, you can just delete the offload app. And after that you can just select multiple apps from here. Now again after that go back, and if you want to just go to your photos, and after going here you can just select multiple photos and videos to delete, and after deleting you can free up your iPhone space. By only deleting your photos, videos, apps and files, you can just free up space on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.